Here's a early 2000s Canarm St Charles 52-inch ceiling fan. Ran on a Hunter control remote. Before it had a Harbor Breeze control, then the receiver died, that's the third fan that had a blown receiver already. And whichever one had a blown receiver, I'll just replace the whole fan. So here is low. Now the fan chain's on high. I'm not gonna mess with all that. And here's the light. I can control it for brightness, but it's going dimmer. You can tell. And now it's getting brighter. And then back down to dark. So leave it there. Turn it out. And here is medium. And then we'll go to high. And then we'll go to off. And this fan's got some very, very, very warped blades. But I'm not going to bother with it. I hope I change this out with the Halsey at one point. I don't really particularly care for this fan. It's too new, too cheap. Alright, well, I'm going to cut it off right here, because the coast on is about 5 minutes long. So, it does it for this video, and until next time.